A violent hailstorm has hit Italy, causing damage to vehicles, buildings, and injuring several people. The storm has been linked to climate change, which has seen extreme weather patterns increasing over the last several years. This year in particular, we have seen terrible weather that has caused destruction around the globe in many places, including the USA, Australia, the United Kingdom, Russia, India, China, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Japan and Korea, with little sign of letting up. In fact, everything shows that the strong and extreme weather will continue and increase in intensity and quantity. We know these events will increase and get worse, because Revelations has told us that will happen. I believe climate change will play a very big role in the stories of the seals, trumpets, and bulls that are let loose on the world. We have been hearing about the signs and the destruction climate change would bring, and this is just the beginning. We knew, and our governments and corporate leaders did little to nothing to try and stop it or slow it down. To quote an article from liberty.edu, "We are stewards of the earth, and we have a responsibility to care for it." Scripture is clear that all of God's creation, not just mankind, brings him glory. Therefore, our stewardship and upkeep of the earth is one of the greatest offerings of worship we can give. Sitting back and doing nothing because one day Christ will return and make all things new is the antithesis of the gospel. Ignoring our duty to the earth based on that reasoning is a misguided attempt at passing off our apathy as faith.